Molex is a leading manufacturer of electronic, electrical, and fiber optic connectivity components across a multitude of industries. Molex is everywhere the digital world is trying to be. To continue its market leadership, Molex needed to transform to meet rising customer demands, develop increasingly complex products, reduce costs, shorten product lead times, and improve the employee and customer experience, while allowing its people to focus on innovation and value-added work. This required a shift in mindsets and mental models to deliver as one Molex across divisions and business units. Molex embarked on a multi-year global journey called Fusion to modernize and connect upstream and downstream processes, creating an end-to-end flow of data called the digital thread. This digital thread, with a single source of truth, pulled all functional silos like engineering, supply chain, and manufacturing much closer together in the way they execute. This allowed for information to be traceable from start to finish, promoted visibility between cross-functional teams for early collaboration and integration, drove reuse through global libraries, and improved quality metrics to enable faster speed to market. Accelerated by Deloitte's predefined business processes and pre-configured technology, the Fusion team redesigned the processes and future state roles, while establishing the digital thread technology that fused and synchronized their foundational capability tools, including Siemens Ops Center and cloud-hosted Team Center and Polarium, to move towards a true model-based enterprise. Molex leaders across all divisions came together to inform this global transformation, impacting over 3,000 engineers, as well as operations across 27 plants. First deployment was completed within 13 months, with over 10 million rows of metadata and 4+ million files were migrated in preparation for the respective manufacturing and product development deployments. Fusion was delivered by a global team in a 100% virtual environment during an unprecedented global pandemic, making process and people change even more challenging. Molex is continuing to improve on the foundation established in the first phase of Fusion and are focused on building a customer-centric, model-based enterprise to drive greater value to our customers and execute faster than their competitors.